Pineapple is not just a delicious tropical fruit. It also boasts numerous scientifically backed health benefits. First, it's packed with nutrients, including vitamin C, manganese, and a powerful enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and helps in digestion by breaking down proteins in the digestive tract. Second, pineapple is a rich source of antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress in the body and can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Third, the vitamin C found in pineapple supports the immune system, improving the body's capacity to fight infections and illnesses. Fourth, bromelain also has potential cancer-fighting properties, as it may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the severity of symptoms. Fifth, bromelain's anti-inflammatory effects can alleviate pain, particularly for those suffering from arthritis and joint pain. Sixth, consuming pineapple can support heart health due to its fiber, potassium, and antioxidant content, which together aid in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Seventh, pineapple's high water content and fiber can aid in digestion and prevent constipation by keeping the digestive tract hydrated and promoting regular bowel movements. Eighth, the fruit has been shown to improve recovery times after surgery or vigorous exercise, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and tissue healing properties. Ninth, pineapple contains trace amounts of minerals like copper and zinc, which are essential for maintaining bone health and preventing osteoporosis. 10th, it can boost eye health through its beta-carotene and vitamin A content, reducing the risk of macular degeneration and other age-related vision issues. 11th, pineapple can help improve mental health due to its high levels of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that affects mood. 12th, the fruit's natural sugars provide a healthier alternative to processed sugars, offering a quick energy boost without harmful side effects. 13th, the manganese in pineapple is important for enzyme function and bone formation, assisting in metabolism and bone maintenance. Finally, pineapple is hydrating and low in calories, making it a great addition to a weight loss diet while ensuring the body receives essential nutrients. Thank you for watching.